Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe. It is very auspicious day today because it is Mahashivratri. And today I had great day. To be honest, whatever I had thought yesterday, I executed exactly. Actually, I was sitting on the sofa around at 7 o'clock in the evening, and I was thinking that on the occasion of Mahashivratri, what I'm supposed to do something special. Then I realized, what about getting up early in the morning and meditating, and after that, chanting the Maha Mrityunjay Jap at least 108 times. So, this was my plan. And when I was about to sleep, I thought, let's do it. I set up the alarm. Exactly when my alarm rang, I got up. After getting up, first I meditated 10 minutes, then I chanted the name of Radharani 10 minutes. Then I went to toilet for freshen up. After that, I went on the terrace. I I warmed the water. Then after that, I had a bath. Right after having a bath, I worshipped at home. Then I went to the temple. But this time, it was something special. When I was going to the temple, it was dark on the road. There was no one around me. Literally, I was nervous. I was not feeling afraid, but I was nervous, yeah. Do you know what was the exact time at that time? It was 44 past 5, around half past 5. When I reached the temple, there was only one lady who was worshipping there. Pandiji was there, and the temple was little bit decorated. It was decorated by the Pandiji. I just offered the milk to Bhole Baba. After that, I offered holy water of the temple on Bhole Baba. And I was thinking it is very special occasion. It is Mahashivratri. On the occasion of Mahashivratri, why don't I offer 2 to 3 lot of water? And I just did it. After that, I worshipped. Then I returned from the temple. Then I started chanting the Mahamrityunjay jap. Om Trakam Mela Mahesh Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiya Vandanat Mityurumuksya Mamritat. I chanted almost 108 times, and it took me 20 minutes to complete the mantras 108 times. It was already at 6 o'clock, so I decided to sleep. I slept. After that, I got up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Then I got ready, I had my breakfast, and I came on the shop. Actually, I wanted to have the fast, but I don't know what did happen. I thought, no, I'm not gonna have the fast. I came on the shop. I didn't even clean my shop. I saw Rath Kalas Yatra was going on because wherever my shop is located, there is a temple, and here is the temple name. If you see, let me show you. Do you know Sri Somnath Mahadev Mandir? So it is recently, it got built by the trustees. So this is the pad of the collection. I also donated 501 rupees from my side. So it was the inauguration of the temple. Then Prinanda said, why don't you come? I said, all right, let's go. So I closed myself, I went there. Then I got the chance of Seva Mahadev. I was on the beside the Rath, and I was pushing the Rath. I didn't leave the Rath. I didn't even dance. I was only beside the, I was pushing the Rath. And in the end, when we had the one round of the temple, I got the chance to touch Mahadev, to lift Mahadev from the Rath, and I got that chance, and I lifted to the temple, and I think it was one of the best. It was one of the best moment of my life. I it really, there is a word I am forgetting, that it really felt that yes, it was great day for me. It was one of the best moment. After that, I came on the soft. Then I was sitting on the soft, and transgender came to collect the money of holy. I was given 100 rupees. They said no, I want 500 rupees. Then I gave 200 rupees. Then I went back to my home. I had my lunch. After having my lunch, I went on the terrace and I was practicing there. I practiced almost 10 minutes. After practicing 10 minutes, I thought, let's go downstairs and talk to Google Gemini. Within 5 minutes, I fell asleep and I got up almost at 5 o'clock. Then I came back to my shop. I forgot to tell you something. As I mentioned you, there was a lady in my street in front of my house. She died day before yesterday, and I don't know what kind of person they are. They are sitting in front of the house, literally middle of the street. There is no way where you can go, you can take the vehicle. So they were sitting on the street, and that lady died, and suddenly I don't know what was the reason. You won't believe what I was about to say, yaar. She was completely healthy, but she got an heart attack, and she got a heart attack, and she died. And they were sad, but it is bound. Everyone is bound to death. Nobody can escape from the death. So we cannot do anything. But she died. So this was the case, and overall it was great day. And now I have made the plan that every day I'm going to get up at 3 o'clock, at half past 3, and I meditate. After the meditation, I do something other. Look at, when I couldn't make the video throughout the day, na, I was feeling anxiety. Yaar. I missed something. I missed something. I missed something. That's why I thought, right after writing the name of Radharani of today's, every day I write pages. So today wrote the Radharani. I thought, let's make a video, otherwise I cannot resist my anxiety. So that's why I recorded myself. Overall, it was great day. I learned a lot of things. I prayed to Bhole Baba, please bless me. I need your support. Without your support, I cannot do anything, because it is said that God helps those who help themselves, and I'm ready to help myself. I have started getting up in the morning. I'm meditating. I know meditation is very important. It will improve your memory power, concentration power, make you calmer. It will help you to control your anger, and you will look happy from inside. You will control your greed, you will control yourself. And how do I say, I can see the changes. It was my fourth day, because yesterday I missed because of some reason, but overall it was great day. How do I say, it was a great day. And I'm going to get up early in the morning every day. I'm gonna meditate, I'm gonna make the video, I'm gonna read. It's just a beginning. I'm ready to put myself in uncomfortable zone, because I do think until you put yourself in uncomfortable zone, you cannot be a successful person. You have to bring that X factor in you, and that is the X factor, getting up at 3 o'clock, where nobody can imagine. And most of the time everyone is sleeping deeply at their home, and where I get up, I meditate, I make the video, and I'm going to receive the nectar from the universe. And it says that in Brahm Muhurat, it is the time of creator, Lord Brahma. So at that time, if you are getting up and if you are meditating, you will receive divine power. You will have the better concentration power. You will think differently. That's why I thought I am going to grab this opportunity. Yes, it is very difficult to get up early in the morning, but I am resilient, I'm determined, and I come what may, I'm going to get up, I'm going to meditate, I'm going to make the video, I'm going to read. Right now I haven't started reading, making the video. What I'm doing right after getting up, first I meditate 10 minutes. After that I chant the name of Radharani 10 minutes. Only I'm doing 20 minutes. I'm just devoting myself in devotion, almost 20 minutes. And it's just a beginning, because it is said that if you really want to develop the habit of changing yourself, then you have to follow the process. It is the matter of 21 days. You will see the great changes in myself. I will have better control over myself. The way I'm explaining the things, I will improve it, and I will become calmer and calmer because my puja ma'am used to just advise me that you are one of the best speaker I have ever seen. You have to bring the calmness, you have to bring the soothiness in your voice. I'm working over myself. If I really want to bring the soothiness in my voice, I have to calm myself. I have to think differently. Do you know what's going on in our mind? We think, yeah, we are in hurry. Something kicking us. Speak loudly. No, it's not like that. You have to become calmer. You can, while meditating, once you focus over your breath, you can feel your breath, and while speaking you can feel every words of yours. And this is one of the first video I am literally thinking that it is wonderful. Whatever I had in my mind, I spoke in front of the camera, and I'm happy. And there were so many words I wanted to use. Right now, it's not coming in my mind, but spontaneously, I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Jai Sri Radhe, Jai Sri Krishna.